this is Benjamin Kepner of Global Social Media Marketing, and today we're going to be talking about how to create Facebook post engagement ads in order to make sure that you're engaging with your fans for a value offer that might also directly lead to a sharing of the post, comments, or views of the video, or indirectly also, depending upon your value offer, add likes to your page. So without further ado, I'm going to show you an example for today of a giveaway that we are doing. This is a random giveaway. We're giving away a free day of golf and a gift card for two to eat at Foco de Chao for our trash management client in Waste Connections of Colorado. So in order to create a post engagement ad, the first thing we want to do is go into our Facebook Business Manager account and then go into our Ads Manager account, as you can see here today. And then I'm going to go ahead and click Create. I'm going to choose Engagement, and then I'm going to actually choose Post Engagement. We're going to click Continue. Then we're going to give a title of our campaign. So I'm going to go ahead and call this Golf Giveaway. We're going to do Post Engagement. And maybe for the month as well. So we're in September 2020. We are going to do a buying type of auction. Post engagement is our option. And then we are going to then turn off the campaign budget optimization so that we can do a daily budget. We'll click Next. We want to give our ad set a name. So remember, ad sets are used for our audience. Since you're going to be giving away a free day of golf, we know that generally males are more relevant for that audience. Nothing against women in playing golf. They could definitely do that. We know prior post that it's males, as males are probably golfing more. So we're going ahead and title that. So we're going to do males, and this is going to be for the state of Colorado. And we also know that based on our age demographics, probably about 24 to 65 is around where we want to be for demographic of age. So I'll just call this males, Colorado, 24 to 65. Maybe I'll give this also a description for the golf giveaway, so we just know in case we want to use this audience again later on. You're going to do a daily budget. I'd always recommend for at least a week to run ads. 2 weeks is a best practice, right? So we're going to go ahead and have this start. It's probably not going to launch until Tuesday, so we'll go ahead and just put this on the 30th. And the start date, we're going to put this to start tomorrow, and then we'll set an end date and end that by the 30th. That'll give us about 2 weeks time, and it's good to make sure that this is going to be running properly, right? And then maybe letting this run until about 10 o'clock a.m. That should be fine. Change our audience to be a little bit more relative. So we're going to go ahead and do Colorado. And we definitely want to do people that are currently living in this location, right? Scrolling down, we want to change these demographics. We'll do all of the images, right now we can see that our potential. We are going to change this, as I discussed, to men. You can see how this dramatically changes right now, right? So now we're at 1 million plus for men. We're expecting on average about 112 to 324 men. We could also, if we want to take this a step further, to add a little bit of some of the detailed targeting, right? So things like golf, for example. Let's see if that has a help, right? So that's actually limited it. So for this example, right, we're going to keep it more open. That way we have a larger reach. All right, so this looks good at this point. So let's go ahead and click on Next. Then we're going to make sure that we've got our Instagram account and our Facebook page. And we're going to have some different variations for the ad name, right? So we're going to use a golf video, sunshine, 4 seconds. We're going to do create ad. And we've got a number of different things that we can upload here. So here is one example. Upload that video. I've also got the text ready while that's uploading. So this is our exact text that we're going to be using. We're going to have a call to action that says, we're going to do a no button for this because we're doing in a post engagement. We're not going to do a business partner. We have our Facebook pixel, and there we go. Okay. So now we've got our ad. Publish. I'll go ahead and exit out. And we can see that that is now in review. So what we're going to do is we're just going to go ahead and make duplicates of this because it's a best practice, right? To create a test to compare a new ad to your original ad, right? We're going to do existing, and then we're going to do the same, and we're just going to make 2 copies. Okay, we're going to duplicate, and then we're just going to go in and change this creative. Okay, so we'll go ahead and make sure that this is all good to do, all good to go. We can also always pause the campaign after. If we don't want the campaign to run, we can just turn it off. But what that allows us to do is it still lets the ad set and the ads to go ahead and go through that approval process, right? So this is how you create a post-engagement ad. This is a really good way to engage fans through the advertising platform instead of using a boosted post, and making sure that you're targeting the right type of audience that you want to target. You could also use this approach potentially for being creative with tagging other people or having a great value offer that encourages likes or asks people to do something with your post engagement ad. So I hope this has been helpful. Please let us know how you're using post engagement ads in the comments below of this YouTube video.